Hey guys, it's Jenna here, and very bored.
I am not a whore. I am not a whore.
Yes. But it's Sunday now, and I am dressing like a bum today. Because I feel like dressing like a bum today.
I am not a whore. I am not a whore. I am not a whore.
Because there's more snow coming. What the heck? Only in Michigan. Only in Michigan. That's what I'm saying. So now, I'm here today, very bored, because it's so cold outside. And it's not fair, okay? It's just not fair! Not fair. One thing I'm trying to say is, why the heck is it still snowing? And it's freaking April, for God's sake! Is Mother Nature, like, on steroids? What's up with her? She needs to get her mind out of the gutter! Sorry. It's a little,
Most girls I meet are quite savage. Always try to grab it from my package. They say I look yummy and they want a taste. But I'm a human, not a savage.
No, I'm just playing. But really! What the heck? Okay, there is an alert. I'm going to go to the alert right now. Hold on 1 second. It's like, what the heck? Oh, it says snowing. What the heck? A snowstorm. Seriously?
Sometimes I feel like a local J. I love that more than you take. Every girl I try to get to know.
What is up with that? So mad. I just want summer to come already. I miss wearing shorts, capris, tank tops. I miss it so much. Ugh.
Try to do that. I am not a whore. I am not a whore.
It's mentally screwing me up in the head. That's why when I'm older, I'm moving to a warm state. I will. I will. It's probably going to be more gas prices, but I'll get a job. I don't know. I don't know, but a good job. But, yeah, I just want to say, how is your weather in different states? I don't know. I think all the people who subscribe me are in Michigan. I don't know. Where are you guys from?